What's wrong, bro? I'm not your bro, and also what's wrong with me? Because I'm upset that my dad is not celebrate New Year with me. Oh, okay, but where's your glasses? And also, soon your mom be here? I decide I'm not gonna wear them. And also why my mom is not here? Because she died since I was 10. Oh, sorry about your loss. And anyways, where's your sister? I did not see her in the house. My sister must be with the police officer finding her father. But I heard the police officer said after they find our father, they will send us to somewhere else to stay. Oh, then I leave you alone. Bye bye.